I have seen thousands of Walmart listings that are not getting enough sales. Not because the product is bad, but because the listing is broken. Wrong positioning, weak visuals, zero clarity. And the worst part, most sellers are repeating the same mistake without even realizing it. So in this video, I'll show you the exact errors sellers make, why Walmart blocks them, and how to fix them step by step. So let's begin. First, understand this. Walmart is not Amazon. They don't test and learn. They validate first and then decide if your product deserves visibility. So here is the reality. Incomplete listing, not published. Pricing issue, that means suppressed, and wrong data blocked instantly. So before you think about ads or scaling, you need to fix the foundation. So here is the first mistakes that sellers are making, which is missing product information. Look, this is the number one issue. Missing the product data. Feels like product ID, category, size or variation. If any of those are wrong or incomplete, your listing either won't go live or get suppressed. Now Walmart is extremely strict with GTIN validation. If your UPC doesn't match the product in their database, you are done. Listing blocked. So how to fix? For that, go to Seller Central and then Catalog. Now here you can see all your listing status, like how many unpublished, how many have errors. Now if you click on error, you'll see the error list, and if you hover over the error, you will see the status and you will get the idea what happened on your listing. Alright, so now come to the point. We are fixing the missing info on the listing. So go to the items and then click on edit items. Then check your UPC, is it correct or not. If wrong, you can add a valid UPC here and then match the brand exactly. Fill every required field. Don't skip anything. Think of it like this. Walmart doesn't trust assumptions. It only trusts structured data. Next is shipping errors. These are silent killers because your listing exists but don't sell. Mainly two common errors we have seen that are shipping template not assigned, warehouse ID missing. And the real impact? No shipping setup means no checkout, and no checkout means no sales. It's that simple. So how you can fix this? For that, go to setting and then shipping. So here you should check warehouse IDs are created or not, and products are linked to the correct warehouse. Shipping templates cover your delivery regions. Now if you are drop shippers, listen carefully. If your product is mapped to the wrong fulfillment center, Walmart will reject orders or delay delivery. And once that happens, your account health takes a hit. Next is pricing errors. Walmart actively compares your price with other marketplaces. Yes, including Amazon. So if your price is too high, you will suppressed. Too low, flagged as unrealistic. Now keep in mind that Walmart goal is everyday low price, and they reward consistency, not random discounts. So keep your pricing competitive. Product price plus shipping must make sense, and avoid extreme price gap. If flagged, adjust slightly, not aggressively. You are not trying to win a price war. You are trying to stay in the game. It's that simple. Next, image and content errors. This is where most listings look amateur, and Walmart doesn't tolerate that. So what are the common problems here? Low quality images, watermark or logos, unclear product visuals. So how you can fix your images? You have to follow the Walmart rules. So use high resolution, minimum 1000 into 1000 pixel, white background for main image. You should add multiple angles, and you should add lifestyle images as well. Now content. Walmart prefers clean and structured content. So add clear title with brands and with keywords. You should use bullet points for benefits and no spam words like best deals or cheap product. Remember, better content means better ranking, and that means better visibility. And this isn't branding, this is algorithm compliance. Last one, inventory and duplicate issues. Here the common problem is same product upload multiple times and inventory not synced. And the result, confused algorithm, split ranking, possible listing removal. So how you can fix that? Keep your feed clean. One product is equal to one listing. If you have duplicate listing, you should delete one and sync inventory daily. If your stock is wrong, you oversell or lose ranking. Both are bad. So this is the most common Walmart listing errors, and now you know how to fix them step by step. Fix your data, fix your structure, and Walmart will actually let you complete. it. If you want help with listing, optimizing, or scaling, that's exactly what we do. Mail us at info@ecomclips.com and we'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.